How to fix limit background app refresh rate to prolong battery life in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option general. Now click on general. After clicking on general, then scroll down and here you can see the option background app refresh. Now click on it and here you can turn off background app refresh. Now select the app you want to turn off your background app refresh rate. Now simply turn off this button. Now click on background app refresh. Now here you turn off your background app refresh, Wi-Fi only and Wi-Fi and mobile data. After selecting Wi-Fi and mobile data, then go back and here you can turn off extra apps you want to turn off. So after turning off buttons, it will help you to prolong battery life. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.